What's up, guys? Today, we're diving into the awesome world of DIY with 15 super simple projects that anyone can do. We're talking beginner-level stuff here, so even if you've never picked up a glue gun in your life, you got this. We're gonna transform your house, your wardrobe, and even your bath time with these awesome DIY ideas. We'll be using stuff you probably already have lying around the house, so get ready to save some cash and have a ton of fun. Are you ready to unleash your inner creative genius? Let's do this. First up, we're taking those old mason jars out of the pantry and giving them a makeover. With a little paint and creativity, we'll turn them into beautiful vases. Got an old t-shirt you never wear? Don't toss it. We're turning it into a trendy tote bag. And the best part? No sewing required. Want to add some storage and style to your walls? We'll show you how to build your own floating shelves using simple tools and materials. All right, get ready to relax with your very own homemade bath bombs. We're gonna mix up some soothing ingredients and create fizzy masterpieces together. Hey, don't throw away those tin cans. Instead, we're punching some holes and transforming them into charming lanterns to light up your nights. Rustic vibes, anyone? We're cutting pallet wood into coasters and giving them a cool, weathered finish. Honestly, they make the perfect gift, too. Time to organize in style. Grab a frame, some corks, and let's make a unique bulletin board to keep all your important stuff handy. Add some greenery to your space with a DIY macrame plant hanger. Don't worry, we'll teach you the basic knots to get you started. Label your plants with personality. We're painting rocks with fun designs and turning them into adorable garden markers. Fill your home with amazing aromas. Learn how to make your own scented candles with essential oils and create the perfect ambiance. Display your favorite memories on your walls with an easy photo collage. We'll show you how to arrange and hang your pictures like a pro. Ditch the store-bought stuff and make your own luxurious soap bars. We'll be mixing up natural ingredients and creating custom scents. Spruce up your couch with some stylish throw pillows. We'll show you how to make or decorate covers for a whole new look. Don't toss those old magazines. We're rolling and gluing pages to create colorful and unique bowls for trinkets or decoration. Design your own mugs. Grab a Sharpie, get creative, and bake your designs to make them permanent. It's the perfect personalized gift. So, how many of these awesome DIY projects are you adding to your to-do list? I'm betting you're gonna be a DIY master in no time. Don't forget to show off your creations in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. If you enjoyed these easy DIY ideas, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. We've got tons of fun challenges, experiments, and of course, more DIY projects coming your way. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay awesome.